Hello, what's up guys? Today we are having a look at the poor man's Dremel, which is a rotary drill. This set costs less than 70 ringgit, which is less than 20 US dollars, so it is extremely cheap. It also comes with a nice box together with 210 pieces of accessories and one soft shaft. If you are having a problem getting this product in your country, you can always try similar OEM products in Amazon or eBay. The drill is 130 watt and the motor is capable of 8,000 to 30,000 spin per minute. So this is what you will get if you order the box by default. You will get a extension soft shaft, which is helpful if you are trying to do engraving. Next would be the drill itself. It comes with a 1 or 2 pages of manual, which seems pretty useless to me. Now, if you have used Dremel before, all the accessories provided by this product, it seems similar and mountable to Dremel drill. We have here a cutting disc. This would probably be the grinding wheel. Now let's try to power up this thing. So this would be the on off button. To speed up the drill, you can use the rotate button, which is on the other side of the power. To mount in any accessory bits, hold the lock button on the edge of the drill and you can remove the nut, which is called the chuck. You can use the standard wrench, which is supplied by the product itself. So inside the chuck there are these little small nuts called collat. Make sure the bit you are mounting fits the hole of the collat. And once you have inserted the right collat, put in the bit that you want to use. Hold the lock button and you should use the wrench to lock the bit into the chuck. To use the shaft cable first, you will need to pull out the other end of the shaft cable. Insert the shaft cable into the chuck and lock the shaft cable by using a wrench. On the other end of the shaft, there's one hole which you can use the key to lock. Once you have locked the shaft cable, you will be able to change the bits on the shaft cable.